Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Emily and George.
Hi, everyone. We are happy to have you here today.
Today, we are talking about 3 tiny English words.
But these tiny words can create huge confusion.
The words are either, neither, and or.
Many English learners hear these words every day.
They understand them when reading.
But when speaking, they get confused.
They ask,
Should I say either?
should I say neither?
Should I use or?
Today, we are going to remove that confusion.
We will explain these words like a conversation.
Not just grammar rules.
Real English.
The kind of English people use every day.
We will also practice many examples.
So take notes.
And let's begin.
George, why are these 3 words so important?
Because they appear everywhere.
Where exactly?
In conversations,
Movies,
podcasts,
books.
and daily communication.
For example, if someone asks,
Do you want tea or coffee?
you need to know how to answer.
You might say,
Either is okay.
or.
Neither.
These simple answers sound natural.
But using the wrong word can make your English sound unclear.
That's why learning these words is important.
Let's start with the easiest word, or.
Or connects choices.
It shows options.
Example, would you like water or juice?
There are 2 choices,
Water.
or juice.
Another example,
Are you studying English or Spanish?
the person has 2 possibilities.
English or Spanish? Now, let's make it more natural.
Imagine you are talking with a friend.
What are you doing tonight?
I am going to watch a movie or play video games.
Good.
I have 2 possible plans.
Exactly. Now we add the word either.
The structure becomes,
Either or.
this structure means one choice from 2.
Example,
You can either stay here or come with me. The person has 2 choices.
stay.
Or come.
Another example,
Either Emma or Lily will answer the question.
it means one person will answer,
We don't know who.
but one of them will. Let's practice. George, I need help choosing clothes.
Sure.
Should I wear the blue shirt or the black shirt?
You can either wear the blue shirt or the black shirt.
What does that mean?
Both are possible choices.
Good.
Now my turn.
Okay,
I want to travel this year.
nice.
Should I visit Japan or Italy?
You can either visit Japan or Italy.
Exactly.
Now, let's learn the second use of either.
This one is very important.
In negative sentences, either means also.
Example,
I don't like cold weather,
I don't like cold weather either.
meaning
I also don't like it.
another example.
She doesn't eat meat.
He doesn't eat meat either.
They both don't eat meat.
Let's do quick practice.
Ready?
I don't watch horror movies.
I don't watch horror movies either.
I don't play football.
I don't play football either.
I don't like loud music.
I don't like loud music either.
Excellent.
Now let's move to neither.
Neither is the opposite of either.
Either means one.
Neither means 0.
Example,
Neither answer is correct.
meaning
Answer A is wrong. Answer B is wrong. Both are incorrect.
the common structure is
Neither nor.
example,
Neither John nor Mike called me.
meaning
John did not call. Mike did not call. Nobody called. Let's imagine a workplace conversation.
Who will lead the meeting today?
Either Sarah or James will lead the meeting.
Good. Now another question. Who is absent today?
Neither Sarah nor James is absent.
Great!
Native speakers use these words naturally.
Let's hear some examples.
Example 1.
You can either email me or call me.
Very common.
Example 2.
Neither option works for me.
Example 3.
I don't want to go either.
These sentences are used every day.
In conversations,
At work,
and with friends.
Let's learn through a short story.
Great idea.
Imagine two friends, Alex and Ben.
They want to go on a trip.
Alex asks,
Should we visit the beach or the mountains?
Ben says.
We can either visit the beach or the mountains.
They think for a while.
Then Alex asks.
Do you want the beach?
Ben says.
Not really.
Then Alex asks.
Do you want the mountains?
Ben says.
Not really.
Finally, Ben says.
Neither sounds exciting today.
They laugh.
They decide to stay home.
This is how native speakers use these words naturally.
Now let's learn a more advanced use.
Okay?
Sometimes either comes at the end of a sentence,
We already saw this with negative sentences.
but there are more examples.
Example,
You can sit on either side.
meaning
Both sides are possible. Another example. Either answer could be correct. We don't know which one, but both are possible. What about neither? Neither can also stand alone. Example, which one do you want? Neither. Meaning, I don't want the first one, and I don't want the second one. Another example. Do you want pizza or burgers?
neither.
Short and natural. Now listen carefully.
We will say sentences.
Try to understand the meaning.
Sentence 1,
Either Anna or Lisa will present today.
meaning
One person will present. Sentence 2. Neither Anna nor Lisa will present today.
meaning
Nobody will present. Sentence 3. I don't like this restaurant either.
meaning
I also don't like it. Time for a challenge. Question 1. Complete the sentence. You can dash choose the red one or the blue one. Answer, either. Question 2. Dash John nor Peter came. Answer, neither. Question 3. I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV dash. Answer, either. Question 4. Is it tea or coffee? I want dash. Answer, either. Question 5. Do you want both options? No, I want dash. Answer, neither.
Now repeat after us.
Practice makes progress.
Either you come with me or stay here.
neither option is perfect.
I don't want it either.
Neither my friend nor I know.
You can choose either one.
Excellent.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
Or connects choices.
Either means one of two choices.
Either goes with or.
Neither means zero of two choices.
Neither goes with nor.
In negative sentences, either means also.
Either goes with or. Neither goes with zero of two choices. Neither goes with nor.
In negative sentences, either means also.
These words are small.
But they make your English sound much more natural. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson.
We hope you understand either, neither, and or much better now.
Remember, learning English takes practice.
Don't just watch.
Try to use these words.
Make your own sentences.
Speak every day.
And slowly, your confidence will grow.
If this lesson helped you, like the video.
Share it with other English learners.
Subscribe to English with Emily and George.
We create lessons to help you speak English naturally.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep improving.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.